Hello everyone. So, Developer X got some updates that make it even better than before. And to be honest, since it came out, it has been my go-to for commercial use. I had been using it to build my own app, and it works really well. Like, really good. So let me go over the features first, before showing you how you can set it up and use it as well. Firstly, the agent now plans app architecture and generates to-do list to break down complex tasks and workflows. It is especially useful for complex codebases or hard-to-implement architectures. I used it, and it helped a lot in the agent's problem-solving capabilities, as well as its ability to design complex backends. Next, they added the web update, so the agent can now browse the web freely for documentation and things. This is very important for code maintainability and to keep code updated always. Next, we got the Git integration. The agent can now browse, initialize Git project, propose diffs, see status, and more. Another feature, to really fulfill the coding workflow of a developer. Next, we got the MCP integration. So now you can create a .mcp file and configure your MCPs there for new capabilities. Now, let me show you how you can set it up. First, head over to their website and purchase a plan. I would suggest the Pro Kit, as it's really cheap and at a one-time price for all the feature it provides. Then email the team with the shown address and specify your plan and operating system along with your payment method. After that process is finished, you should get a key and unlock the product. Now, open your project in something like VS Code or any IDE. Open the terminal there and run the path to your executable file and set it up with your keys and providers, and you are done. You can send a message and start using it. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.